Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and now we are going to talk about AWS console for that Docker. So guys, before that I want to show you that console and that things we are going to use. So this is called serverless computing. What do you mean by serverless computing? Like whatever the codes, what are the commands, that only we are going to host, nothing else. Alright. So this serverless computing that we will be using, it will be with the help of that we will be configuring Docker and we will be configuring many other things. All right. So from this is the search tab. You will be once you'll be coming. Let me show you. If you go to the service, you can see that EC2 instance, blockchain, many other things you can find it out and you can configure. But over here, our intention is to use Cloud9. Okay, so Cloud9, what you can see here, once we have given that Cloud9, and immediately it will be opening the console for Cloud9. You can see here. So please don't misuse this credential. Okay, uh, that I'm just showing off here. Now you can do what? You can open IDE. So first of all, let me tell you what exactly IDE is. IDE means your integrated deployment or development environment. Okay, so you can see here you have got that environment already here. So if we are going to do something, if you are planning to run something, all the commands, so you will be executing out here. All right. So this is the Cloud9 console, and the same command that what we have like done earlier in order to create Docker and all those things also we can do it here. Let me show you. And this session can be quite lengthy, so please have patience and learn it very well. Okay. So now you can go here CD, then home, and then you will be going. Let me put that EC2 user and then environment. Done. Once I'll keep it here. Now we are, can you see here we are inside that environment with the users. Let me check. Yes, you can see we are inside there. Now what we will do, we will give that command wget, then https, then from here we are trying to install all those plugins, or you can say service, also you can say daemon. Okay, AWS, and then TC, and then you can put here large objects, and then dot is3 dot us. This is hosted in US West, then 2. Okay, then Amazon, AWS. Okay, .com, and then you can put the location dev, then AWS, then mo. So why I'm going slower, because in case you are doing with me, so you can make it. Containers, then lab 1, docker CLI dot zip. Now see, it started installing. It will be very fast, you don't worry, because it is there in in AWS data center itself. You can see here within a second you have done with the things. Alright, now this is that zip file you have installed. You want to see, can you see here, it's a zipped. Can you see the zipped lab1.docker.cli? It is zipped. So you have to do unzip. How we will be doing? unzip, you have done with unzip, then you will be doing lab, and then -1, and then -docker. Okay, then CLI zip. I mean, what is the name here? So I just kept in that. Then once you'll give enter, so it's unzipped. You can see when you have done with the unzip, so left hand side, it's showing what all things you have done with unzipped. Now we have to rename it lab1 docker CLI zip. If you give that tab, it will come. So here, see that has done here. Now if you want to see that docker help and all, so you can keep this docker and then help command. So it will be showing all the commands which can help you to run the docker. You can see here. Let me make it big. I just wanted to show you that this lambda you are using with API gateway, that's what I was keeping it. Now you can see this is the help command. If I clear, it will go away. Alright, so that was the help command for this. So you can practice on this, you can run on those. Now you can put here docker, after that config. Alright, then help. It will be showing you in order to if you are doing any configuration in order to create this docker, is going to help you this one. Alright, also you can write this traditional Linux command using this docker and then config, excuse me, docker, then you will be going config, then create, then hyphen help. So this is how you can put any command or any syntax in order to make some list. Now you can see here docker attach help. Okay, now you have to see the docker information, docker info. So it will be showing how much space it has taken. You can see here, as I told you, runtime will be there, shom will be this, and you can see that volume which is in local, how many CPU are you getting utilized over here. We have not enabled the debug right now, and this is that IP address has been received there by default. Okay, now you want to see the docker images, docker images. Now see, these are the images are ready, and this is that space has been taken out here. All right, now if you put here docker images, yeah, Python also it's available there, Node.js also available there. It's just fantastic. Okay, now if you go put this command docker images and then hyphen help, if you put this command, so it will be showing you how you can execute the docker images. Now if you see, docker and then image, then no, okay. Now can see here image, when it is created, tags, all those information is going to show you. All right. Now if you want to build some command, you can do it, like docker build tag scale underscore me dot. Okay, so it's not allowing, no problem. Now you will check the docker images. So docker images, all the images are ready. Now you see we are trying to run the docker commands. Okay, now see docker, then we'll be going run, then ti scare underscore me, then bin slash sh. It's saying okay, permission denied. Okay, docker run, and then we will be giving the name of that image. You can copy. So this is that manually also you can do. Yes, now you see it succeeded, no problem. So rest of the things exactly same way that we have done earlier. Like now you'll be giving the port number. Now you will be installing that service, what all service you would like to put here, and then you will be able to access this. Like in anything you want to make it. Like over here lambda is that one Amazon kind service where you can host the code, like which purpose you are doing. So all those you can install here. Amazon having a huge repository where we can get whatever the information, what are the stuff you required. So everything you can get it here, and then you can do. So the best part is to run this like containers, like these are the you can see here image, so you have to integrate and you can run. So guys, don't get confused at all, like what is docker and what is container. Docker is that platform, and you are running, or you can sailing off, in technical word, you are sailing off your information, your services, your code, your application, hosting top of this. So this is the major agenda out here. Alright guys, thank you. So I'm stopping it here. This Cloud9, I'll be coming up with that another one videos, and then again I will discuss that Cloud9 features and all those. Over here, my intention was just to show you that how to run inside that Cloud9 environment. Thank you guys.